Spring! Wonderful! Finally, the weather is great. The sun is shining and the sea is sparkling, but you can still wear all your wool clothes. What's in here? Spring everywhere. You almost don't need mittens anymore. I should have worn thinner ones. I'll take these thick ones off. Great. Spring, spring, spring. La 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 la. Ah, spring. Wonderful. Finally, the weather is great. The sun is shining and the sea is sparkling. Ooh, what's in here? Someone dropped a mitten. Pretty cool mitten. Probably handmade by someone. Well, there's nothing I can do about... Wait, what's this? Very precious item. Please contact. Let's send a message. Wonderful spring. My fingers are getting a little cold though. I have to put my mittens back. Oh no. Where's my other mitten? Hi, I found your mitten by the shore. Can you come get it somewhere? OMG, leave it there. I'm not far. I'll come get it. Thanks for letting me know. Well, let's leave it here. Very cool mitten. Pretty handy note. Oh no. My mitten, the best ones always go missing. Where is my mitten? Is that my mitten? It's here. Every spring and fall, the same thing makes my blood pressure go up. Luckily, I had sewn on the contact information label.